Guys. Look what I got. All right. So we got a couple packages in. This one is the one I'm most excited about. So let's get it open. Show you guys what it is. Dun, 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 dun. Drum roll. Bam. This here is our wiring harness. Let's open it up and take a look at it. Alright, some wiring ends. Sorry about the noise, guys. I don't have any of the TikTok shop heaters, so I have to do it the old school way. Look at this. Fuel sender. Oh, headlights. All of our wire ends and zip ties. Electrical tape. Man, this kit. Wire ends. Wire ferrules. Fuses. All the same factory style ends, pre-cut to length and size, heat shrink. All right, this is probably the coolest thing of it all. Oh, okay, yeah. So this here is going to be the engine harness, and it comes pre-wired. Each one of these little wires is, I don't know if you can see it on there. It tells you on there where it goes. Here's the factory style fuse block. Mounts under the dash. Alternator wiring. Electrical grease. Installation manual. And it is thick. Oh yeah. And it looks like it's very, very detailed. Oh man, they even have cigarette lighter, tail light. Oh yeah, this is gonna be awesome. Oh yeah. And of course, the stickers. All right. So now that we've got this whole kit, I got some reading to do. That way I can figure out how to get all this installed. Super excited. I have been waiting on this. That way I can get all the wiring done before I put the carpet in. Because instead of running it through the factory routing that they did underneath the car, I'm going to run everything through the inside. Keep it underneath the carpet, out of the weather. Keep everything nice and neat. I want to do everything the right way on this vehicle. So now that I've got that, I've got to get the sound dampener finished inside. Once the sound dampener is finished, we'll get started on that wiring. I've got to get the whole grill disassembled, get all the rest of the wiring removed, the little bit that's underneath it going to the tail lights, to the transmission for the reverse lights and everything. Get the rest of that removed, and then we'll get going on getting this new stuff put in here. Super excited about this. Everything on this is supposed to be exactly like a factory harness. So if you're not already following me, hit that follow button. I'm going to get this put up, get the book owners or the installation book inside so I can read it whenever I head inside. But I'm going to jump back inside the vehicle, get some sound dampener going. So until next time.